prevention of gonorrhea, as it is a contagious infectious disease which is transmitted sexually transmission by the contaminated or infected intercourse. So in this disease, the sex partners, whether single or both, they are suffering from the gonococcal infection. They will be responsible for the transmission of the disease. So always make your intercourse protected by the use of vaginal and the penile condoms. These are the basic factors, and it is a very cheapest way and the better way for the prevention of this gonorrheal infection, which may become fatal and very troublesome during urination. I have seen the patient who are crying during their urination. There is dysuria due to the urethral infection and the urethral discharge. Always confine yourself to the healthy sex partner. For that, you, along with your sex partner, must undergo annual screening tests for gonorrhea. If there is some suspected case, then must undergo anti-gonorrheal treatment, which is very cheap and very easy to be cured one. It is a curable disease, and it is a very minor disease if it is detected and treated earlier. Always reject or neglect multiple sex partners. So the person who has multiple sex partners, he is more prone to this disease. So if you are a have a legal sex partner, that is your life partner, you must undergo annually or after 2 or 3 years must undergo screening test for the gonorrhea and have a treatment regular. Next is always abstain from the unnatural non-protected intercourse methods like anal and oral intercourse. The persons who are indulged in this practice, they are suffering relatively greater than those persons who are enjoying vaginal intercourse. So it is an inhuman, and that is not only there is chances for the catching of the gonorrhea, but other sexually transmitted diseases like syphilis and the AIDS. It is clear thing that there is no preventive vaccine up till now for this gonorrhea. So preventive measure is necessary to have a healthy life. There is a vaccine for Neisseria meningitis, which may be useful for the prevention of this Neisseria gonorrhea, but it is not a certain or the certified fact. Now, when I will advise guys, if you think that you are going to enjoy sex from your partners, and due to certain reason, if she is having menses, so you have to adopt other method of sexual satisfaction, that is anal course or the rectal course. But I will suggest you, instead of these inhuman, non-productive, and they are very injurious to the health and provide more chances to the venereal diseases, I will advise that you can masturbate, which is a safe and harmless method of sex satisfaction. And it is a advantageous, also it is a pleasant and cheerful one. Now the annual screening test must be compulsory for those countries where prostitution is legal. Both prostitutes, whether it is male or female, should undergo and have a gonorrhea free certificate annually from the certified or government health department so that they can't spread or transmit this gonorrheal infection to the healthier persons. So these are the basic measures, preventive steps that you can save yourself from this gonorrheal disease, which though seems to be rare, but it is a common and is a very injurious, very painful, and very dreadful one.